Have you ever felt this way? When you trade with a small account, everything seems easy. Every trade goes your way. It feels like the market listens to you. You start feeling confident, maybe even thinking, I finally understand the market. And then, you start to think, if I just increase my capital, my profits will multiply. You increase your position size. And right after that, something strange happens. The market turns against you. The perfect setups suddenly stop working. Stop losses hit one after another, and before you know it, your account is gone. From small wins to total wipeouts, what really happened? The truth is, this isn't random. The market didn't suddenly change. You didn't suddenly get worse. It's a psychological trap, and the market is simply a mirror reflecting what's happening inside you. When you trade small, you're not afraid to lose. You're relaxed. You follow your plan. You cut your losses where you should. You take profit where you planned. You're not ruled by emotion. But when you raise your position size, everything changes. The same setup, the same strategy, the same signal. But now, those numbers on the screen make your heart beat faster. A stop loss is no longer just a few dollars. It's hundreds, maybe thousands. And the moment you see that, your brain reacts. The emotional alarms go off: fear, anxiety, hope, and finally, disappointment. At that moment, you stop trading by plan. You start trading by emotion. When the price goes against you, you hesitate to cut the loss. Maybe it'll turn back. When the price moves in your favor, you rush to take profit. What if it reverses? You're no longer controlling the trade. The trade is controlling your mind. Think about it. Why did you want to increase your capital in the first place? Because you wanted to make more money, right? There's nothing wrong with that. But that very desire is the seed of greed. And in trading, greed is the silent killer of discipline. When you trade small, you're in a state of learning, observing, refining your skills. When you trade big, you're in a state of wanting to win, to earn, to grow fast. That tiny mental shift is enough to destroy the stability you once had. Most traders don't lose because of bad strategy. They lose because their psychology can't handle the new scale of pressure. It's like someone who can comfortably run 5 kilometers, but is suddenly asked to run 50. They collapse, not because they're weak, but because they haven't trained for that level of strain. Trading is the same. When you increase size, you increase pressure. And if your mind hasn't been trained to handle that, you'll sabotage yourself. You'll move your stop loss because you don't want to lose more. You'll close your trade early because you're afraid to give back profit. You'll revenge trade after a loss, trying to get it back. You'll trade without a plan when anger takes over. And each of those actions, little by little, leads you straight to one place: a blown account. Have you noticed this? Even when you know you're breaking your rules, you still can't stop. You tell yourself, don't revenge trade, be disciplined, stick to your plan. But when the heat of the moment comes, you still do it. Why? Because your emotional brain is stronger than your rational brain. And if you haven't trained yourself to control emotion, then all your trading knowledge is just theory. Discipline doesn't come from saying, I will be disciplined. Discipline comes from daily mental training. A great trader is no different from a martial artist. They don't just learn techniques, they train their mind to stay calm in chaos. The market is like a battlefield. Only those who keep their mind still will survive. Look at professional traders. They handle millions of dollars, yet their faces remain calm, not because they have no emotion, but because they've trained until emotion no longer controls action. That's something few traders ever master. If you want to go far in trading, stop asking, how can I enter the perfect trade? And start asking, how can I keep my mind still when the price moves? The longer you trade, the clearer it becomes. Your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's yourself. Greed, fear, anger, ego. All of them are demons hiding inside you, and they only reveal themselves when real money is on the line. The more you want to make money fast, the faster you'll lose it. The more you want to prove you're right, the harder you'll fall. The more you try to win back what you lost, the more you'll lose again. Because trading isn't a game of intelligence, it's a game of consistency. It's not about who knows more, it's about who stays calm longer. Training the mind isn't easy, but you can start small. Lower your position size until you feel absolutely calm. Win or lose. Keep an emotional journal. After every trade, Write down what you felt. Fear, anger, pride, excitement. Stop trading when your emotions aren't stable, because every decision made in anger leads to loss. Meditate for 5 minutes before each session. A calm mind sees clearer. Don't attach your identity to a single trade. Think long-term, think probabilities. Do this long enough, and you'll start to feel lighter. Stop losses won't trigger rage anymore. Take profits won't send you into euphoria. You'll begin to trade not like a gambler, but like a calm professional. That's when you start moving closer to the top 5%, the traders who don't fight the market. They master themselves. In the end, small trades win, big trades burn. Not because you're bad, but because you're not yet mentally ready for bigger size. It's not your strategy, it's your psychology. And only when you learn to master your mind and discipline can you truly control the game. The market doesn't reward the smartest traders. It rewards the calmest ones. Remember this, small wins are skill, big losses are lessons. And only when you've learned those lessons can you become a real trader. I believe almost every trader has felt this before. Winning small, then blowing up when trading big. How about you? Have you ever been there? What did you feel in that moment? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might be the one that helps another trader avoid their next blow-up.